Our partnership with Iowa Western is to educate and help train the techs for our future, to help develop these young mechanics and to take the next steps in our shop to take care of customer needs.
Low split, high split, 910.
They're basically doing the same things that they would do here in lab. They're working on chassis and suspension and engines and transmissions. The apprenticeship program allows them to be here a couple days a week for class. Sometimes, right now it's during the day, it could be a night class. And then it allows them to go to work and still be able to work and make money and support their families.
Half of the time they'll teach me something in class, and then the next day I'm already using it right then and there at work. It's a lot, but it's a lot of fun at the same time, a lot of learning, a lot of curveballs, but it also helps you out in the long run.
Currently I have 2 students that are enrolled and I have 6 that have gone through the Iowa Western program.
Is it Ryan over there?
When we hire somebody, our intention is they're going to stay here and we're going to keep that partnership going forward. And this world's changing so much, and so having that partnership with Iowa Western to adapt and evolve it is vital.
Students are sent here because we do a good job of making sure that the students are ready when they leave here.
They're getting paid while they're going through their apprenticeship. They're getting on-the-job training, different things like that. We're going to continue to see the needs that are out there, and Iowa Western is going to continue to meet our students and our businesses where they need their education.